Hello and welcome back to part 2. Let's get started. Go back to the test page. Like you see, I've done this twice because my video messed up. That's what it looks like now. Simple enough. You can settings. So earlier we selected the page layout. Let's change the page layout again. You can select it. If you don't want, if you're getting bored of standard, put it to a sidebar and stuff like that. Save layout and exit it. But it's simple enough. Let's just change it to layout because sometimes it does mess up when you change it, and I'll just show you. Hopefully it'll prove me wrong, but yeah, there we go. It's not messed up, it's just sometimes some of the stuff gets deleted. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just you can't delete the sidebar because it's part of the layout. You have to actually change the side layout now because it's not like a column. But you best just putting columns in because it's a lot easier than changing the. What's it? Right, up the top you got themes, pages, panel. This is like your navigation. Let's go to themes. Change themes around. So it loads. Right. I would prefer you not to mess around with the themes and colours unless you just confer with everyone else to see what it's like. But this is just basically a quick show what you can do on it. You got all the different kinds of themes and colours, and then you can change the colours of writing, text, headers, links. Green there, just show you is for the text on the other page, which is up here. Just like changes that colours. Footers, just down the footer. It's nothing really important need to do down there. It's just for copyright stuff. Like you see, sometimes a video or like another HTML overlaps a box, so it's really annoying. But I'm gonna have to refresh it to do it again. Just gotta wait for it to load again. Bad times. Right, just make sure you apply the settings after you've done it, then return to build it to go back to your building settings. Here we go, it's loading again. It's back here. It's all sorted. Right then, let's go back to pages. Let's leave the page. And like I said, you can delete the pages. Just make sure you click yes, delete the page. You don't need to save this after because it just deletes it. Right then, yeah. Up here you've got the members, how many members we've got, and credits we've got. Credits aren't really that important, but yeah. Just below we've got the widget bar as well. Right then, here it shows you all the different members and like what rank they are in the website. You see most of them are admins at the moment. Just click finish if it'll load. It's not loading. Right then, rapid clicking now. No, don't want. Yeah, there we go. It's loading. For some reason computers on a go slow. Takes a while to load. There we go. Takes us back to the members page. Shows what we've got at the moment. There's some of our lovely mugs. Right, let's go to the pages again. Right, that's a widget bar. I'll show you through the widget bar. Will. Right, on the widget bar we have got down the bottom, as you see down here, you got all the different buttons. We've got the chat box. We've got Twitter. Let's see the video's messing up again. Twitter anyway. Chat box. Smile Hyper's conversation there. Play games. Put some games on for you. I don't know if anyone actually bothers using them, but again, Fergie in Dublin today. Now this shows the stats of what everyone's been using on it and what's been used the most, how many people have been there. Once you edit it, you can enable it, disable it, so it shows up. You can edit it or remove the page. And then obviously if you go to edit, you can some settings, some have visual settings, so it's like colours of text and everything like that, but not many of them do. So like this one doesn't have it either. Overview just gives you a description of it anyway, but if you go to add apps, you can see these, let's call them, you can see these a few apps in a minute, quite a few here, but when you find one, just click install. Anyway, this SoundCloud, it doesn't work, I've tried it before unfortunately. Oh well. But there's more apps. If you just type in a random name, you might be able to find something cool. Like I found some stuff that wasn't on this list. But yeah, like I said, just click the install and then it'll show up on the edit. You don't really need to publish it, but just in case you want to, just click publish just to make sure. Let it load again. See, it says congratulations again. so that's when you know it's done. Let's go back to, let's go to panel. And the panel just is, you don't really need to know much about the panel, it just gives you all the web stories. The bandwidth and sort of form submissions, they're monthly things, so we won't really touch them really a month. But web storage, that's how much we've used, we won't really scrape that either. Got plenty more to use now, so that's okay. All this is just like members, edit members, settings, edit profiles, etc. Manage the website. It's the bits in between you don't really need to know, so it doesn't really matter. Go back to pages. Again, just move stuff around. It's easy enough here. You can put a password on them like I said earlier, or you can delete them. Let's delete it again. Yes. There we go, it's deleted. I don't need to publish it, but there we go. So that is it. Thank you for watching.